So a couple of days ago, I was scrolling through the Facebook marketplace and I ended up purchasing a crypto mining rig. So in today's video, I will talk about the rig, I will show you the actual rig, my entire setup, I will show you how much money it's making, and I will talk about my future plans with this rig. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, before we get started, I want to say one thing. I am not a technical person. I do not know all the details about these graphic cards or crypto mining or any of that stuff. So if you are looking for like a real technical perspective, I'm not the guy. I am just a regular person that has never owned a crypto mining rig, never set one up before until now, and pretty much never operated any mining thing with crypto at all. So if you want to get the perspective of a regular person that just bought a crypto mining rig off of Facebook and is still trying to figure everything out, then continue watching this video. Now that we have completed the intro to this video, let's go on over to the other room so I can show you my entire mining setup, my rig, all of that stuff. Let's go. All right, everybody, so here's my rig. You can definitely hear the noise that this rig is making. All right, let's check it out. This is the monitor and the program that I'm using to mine. This is the monitor that pretty much shows you everything that the rig is doing. Right here is like a keyboard, a mouse. I got this set up from Walmart. It costed $180, literally, for the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse. All right, and now let's look at the rig. The lighting in my basement is extremely bad, so I apologize for that. But there you go, you can check it out. So this rig is pretty much running off of this USB card. That was the original, I guess, memory card that came with it, but it is no longer being used. This is the turn off and on switch. Is pretty much like the power button for the computer. That is the power supplies, and it pretty much goes into the wall, and that's it. All right, so here are the graphics cards that I'm using. There's 6 of them total. One of them is like a 5700 TX, some 1660 Super, and a couple of other ones. You can hear the noise. The fans are definitely spinning. And if you put your hand over them like this, you can feel the warm heat. But since we are in the basement, there's literally no difference in temperature in my basement. It is still super cool. So that is like definitely a pro if you want to get into this. Is if you have a basement, just put that bad boy in the basement. So that is pretty much my entire setup. As you can see, it is like in the corner of the living room. If you saw the other video, this is where I put it together. All right, so that is pretty much the rig. I still have the boxes. It is a mess. And right here, I only have 2 plugs, so I literally had to run an extension cord to here so I can pretty much have the monitor running. So as you can see right now, the monitor is on, but that is only for me to record this video. After I get done recording, I simply unplug the HDMI cord and I disconnect the monitor from the power. That way I do not waste electricity pretty much having the monitor on. That way the gig just runs and makes money. So now that you have seen my crypto mining rig, let's switch on over to the computer screen so you can see exactly what I'm mining and how much money this rig is making me right now. Let's go. So right now I'm mining Ethereum and my gig is making 258 mega hashes and it is consuming 635 volts. And now let's switch on over to this platform. I am using Hive in order to mine. That is like, I guess, the pool that this rig is using. And here's the latest information. Just so you guys know, I will be pressing the refresh so you can see exactly the updated numbers right now. All right, so as of right now, I am making $29.79 a day. This number does fluctuate. It goes between $25 and like $32, $33. Every time I refresh a couple of hours, it is different every single time. But it is averaging, in my opinion, around $30 every single day. And right here is the expected weekly, which is $208 per week. And right here is how much it has made me so far in the last 24 hours. And it has made $32.20, which is pretty sweet. And then when we scroll down, you will see the real-time hash rate, which is higher than on this one. So it is pretty sweet. The higher the hash rate, the more crypto, the more money you are going to be making. So this is day one of my mining rig. When we click on the weekly, there's literally no information simply because it is the first day. Also for the monthly, there's no information. Also, I will definitely be doing a 1 week update and a 1 month update where I will share information on how much it has cost me in electricity and other stuff about the rig. So stay tuned for those videos as well. And now let's answer some basic questions about my mining rig. First off, I paid $4,500 for this mining rig, but I had to purchase a monitor, a mouse, and the keyboard separately. That did not come with the package. So I ended up spending another $185 for all of that as well. So the entire setup pretty much costed me $4,700 before I could actually start mining. And now let's break down the numbers to see how much money this rig is going to make us. As you can see right now, the average is $29.33. So we're going to take $29.33 and we're going to multiply it by 7. And that will give us $205 every single week. And then we're going to multiply this by 4. There are 4 weeks in a month. And we are looking to make over $821 every single month. So if this rig averages $800 every single month, we're simply going to take $4,700. That is how much I have invested in the rig. And we're going to divide it by $800. So it will literally take almost 6 months for me to recoup my money that I paid for this mining rig. And everything after that should be profit. But let's not forget about the electricity cost. Right here is another calculator that pretty much shows how much electricity our rig is going to be wasting every single month. And then on this calculator, you can literally put in the numbers and it will show you how much profit you'll be making for your rig. But we are going to look at this power cost monthly. So right here is the power consumption, and our rig right now is consuming 635 watts. And this will pretty much cost us $45 in electricity cost every single month. So we're gonna take our calculator, we're gonna do some more numbers. Let's say $421 that we are going to be making. We're gonna subtract $45.72. So our actual profit is $775 every single month. But here's where things get a little tricky. I am mining Ethereum, and right now Ethereum is definitely on the rise. But if Ethereum continues to go higher, my rig will be making more money. So let's say I end up mining $800 worth of Ethereum this month. If Ethereum doubles in price, then the $800 that I mined in Ethereum will double in price as well. So now instead of having $800, I'll have $1,600 worth of Ethereum. But this also works the other way around. Let's say my rig mines $800 and then Ethereum drops down 50%. Now my $800 is only worth $400. So there's definitely pros and cons, and it is not 100% risk-free. I'm not guaranteed that I'll be making $800+ every single month. Ethereum can crash tomorrow, or it can skyrocket tomorrow. But personally, I believe Ethereum is going to continue to rise. It's going to go over 3,500 to 4,000. 5,000, 6,000, and even higher. And hopefully my rig continues to make money during that time and hopefully pays for itself in a couple of months. And now let me tell you my plan and my future strategy. Do not take this as financial advice. I'm just a regular guy that ended up buying a crypto mining rig. But right now I am mining Ethereum, and my plan is to sell pretty much all the Ethereum that my rig mines. So every single month I will be selling and converting to either USDT or USDC, and I will be taking those stable coins and putting them onto BlockFi or on KuCoin lending. This way I end up recouping the $4,700 that I have invested. So once I recoup my initial investment, everything after I will be storing away offline for long-term growth. I will mine Ethereum as long as possible. I know Ethereum mining will probably stop sometime in the future, but as of right now, I am mining all the Ethereum that I possibly can. But once that is complete, I will switch over to other coins that I'm interested in, and I will start building positions in other coins as well. This way I'll have big bags of coins for the next bull run. That is my plan so far. But who knows? It might change next week or it might change next month. Nothing is for certain right now. Alright everybody, that is all I have for you today. If you have any questions whatsoever about the mining rig, how much money it's making, or anything related, drop it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer all your questions. Also, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.